Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix login errors 100001 in Zenless Zone 0. Let's get started. If you are facing login issues, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. Sometimes simply restarting the game or your device can resolve the issue. Close Zenless Zone 0 completely and restart it. If that doesn't work, try restarting your phone or PC. Error codes 10000 and 10001 can also occur if the game servers are down. To check server status, visit the official Zenless Zone 0 website or their social media pages for any announcements or maintenance updates. An outdated game version might be causing compatibility issues. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of Zenless Zone 0 installed. If none of the above steps work, reinstalling the game is your last resort. Uninstall Zenless Zone 0 from your device completely. Then go back to the official App Store and download the game again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.